man, I wonder what I can do today. Ooh, I think I have some emails. Okay, howtogetmoney.org. Let's see. Whoa, applications for a card game? Money? Meet at stage 4 at 3:10 p.m. Okay, let's go see some of my friends. Hey man, I'm having a really...
I'm so sorry to hear that you're having a tough day.
Shut! Man, I'm sad too. I was thinking about doing that card game tomorrow. The card game? Wait, there's another one tomorrow? Yeah.
Shut your
Oh, who was that for? When was it? 3:10 p.m. today. Yeah, that's what I thought. Time to go to that stage 4 area. I wonder what there is there. It's just a game of Uno, I think. Okay, let's go. Okay, what is your name? Do you have something in your mouth? No. Don't lie. I don't like cheaters. Okay, I'm sorry. Ah, the competitors from the email. Oh no, it's Evil Garrett. I'm gonna have to stay strong here. How do we play? We'll need to give each other cards. Okay, cards. Gets 3 cards. But you guys are on a team, so you guys both get 3 cards. Blue, you have 2 lives. If you win, you get money. Whoa, that's exactly why I came here. Okay, Blue, you must choose the first card. Go to the middle one. Oh, good. Okay, Crispy and Crappy, you must choose your card. I'm thinking the right one. Yeah, I want to do the right one, man. Yeah, we're safe. Okay. Left. Yay! Okay, guys, we must shuffle the cards now. Okay. Did you eat the damn card? Okay, Blue. Choose wisely. I go with left. Yay! And I'm thinking of going right. I'm going left. This is hard. I'm live! Okay, I'm going left. Yay! Oh man, this is gonna be hard. Middle! Yes! We must shuffle these last cards. So it kills you if you lose? Oh, I don't want to lose. Yeah, isn't that obvious? Hey, don't be rude. I'll eat you. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa now. Okay, Crappy, Crispy, and Blue. Which one do you want to pick? Crispy, you want to choose this or this? I'm thinking of left, man. I'm Crappy, and I might think I'll do left. Okay. Ah! Did it! I did it! Listen, Blue. If this last card is a blank, you will ×2 the money. Okay. Yes! Woo! Okay, I'll give you the money now. Okay, Bluey, here's your money. Yeah! Gotta tell my mom. This is so good. Oh! Hey, kid, give me all your money. No! Mom says I shouldn't talk to strangers. He's only 5. I'm a little. You're 5? Woo! Yummy. Okay, I can't wait to tell my mom.